Hey, Mike here with Run Roadside. Today we're going to be unlocking a 2019 Toyota Yaris. For the video purposes, I've rolled down the window just to make it easier for you guys to see. As you can see here, the keys are on the seat and the door is locked. So the options to get in this vehicle are electric unlock and lock, door handle, if you pull the door handle, and this is a roller lock here. See if I can see this. You can see the red on the inside, and when you flip it over you will be able to see the red to know that it is unlocked. On this particular vehicle, the easiest method of entry is going to be to pull that roller lock backwards towards you. All right, so we are going to place in the airbag here. All right, so airbag placement, you want it in about right there. You can go up here. You can also go here, and from the top, it's really whichever is easiest for you. We're gonna try to slide it in the side here today, and let's see if I can do this one-handed. Well, the video started out well, and there we go. All right, one-handed. See, imagine what I can do with two. All right, so once you get your airbag in there, you want to, that looks about good. Let's turn the dial here, give it a few pumps, use your ears, and you're gonna create a little space in this door till you can see light. See how you can see light? And that crack, let me focus here. You can see the light coming through. That's plenty of room. You don't need that much room. And pretty simple unlock this vehicle. Alarm may sound, not sure yet. It does have anti-theft. Well, let me redo that here so I can do it a little bit slower for you guys. Okay, so you see the light there and the weather stripping there. Just be careful of it, and the tool will slide. Oh, and the airbag's in the way. I'm trying to do all this one-handed here, people. Next time I will have my partner give me help shooting this video, but as you can see, it goes in smooth, not scratching anything. This green protective coating is really nice too. But yeah, not scratching. You can see it's inside the vehicle. The windows are rolled down. All right, you're just gonna reach in here. Like I said, we're going for the roller lock. So let's see if I can focus this here. There's the roller lock. And you're just gonna place the tip there and pull it backwards. See? And we're in. Pull obviously, your tool out first. Slowly, watch out for the weather stripping again. It's out. Then also deflate your airbag first. And open the door, and we're in. It's unlocked. 2019 Toyota Yaris. Simple routine lockout. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. We'll be going through multiple videos in this series, pretty much every year, make and model you can think of. Thanks.